I'm telling you, I am so excited to share these items with you today because I just have no words. I'm serious. Like I'm looking at these. I looked at all the samples just now again, and I just went, oh, beauty, beauty, beautiful, gorgeous, love. I cannot say enough. Okay, let's just jump in because I know you guys are all waiting and I'm waiting too. This is an A2 card base, and as we all know, we love our A2 card bases at Stamps of Life, right? That said, here we go. This is an A2 Fancy Edge card base. Now, when I say fancy, I mean fancy. Look at the bottom of this card. Is that just stunningly beautiful? I know, it's so gorgeous. Now, it comes with the words, "You are such a great friend." And it also comes with the words, "Happiness looks good on you." Now, we're able to offer this a little bit lower of a price, which is very exciting. And yes, there are dies that coordinate. So the dies that coordinate look like this. Now you are getting a layering, you are getting a layering die in here for the front, but there are coordinating dies to go with this. And when I say there are coordinating dies to go with this, let me show you a sample because they're beautiful. Look at that. So we took that edge, we took it all the way around the beautiful card. We took it all the way around the rectangles, and look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that stunning? I love it. Now, before I show you all the samples for that, I have another item that goes perfectly with this card base because it is stunningly beautiful. And I'm going to show you the dies and you're going to go, Stephanie, I don't get it. I know. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's one on the back. Don't lose it. 9 flower dies in here. But we're calling these the ruffled flowers because they are ruffled. And let me show you this. Look at how beautiful those edges are. I've never done anything like this before, and I am madly, deeply in love. You're probably going to see this edge another way somehow, somewhere, because I'm in love with this edge. Now, let's look. So that's on a slim line. Here it is on 5 by 7. Look at how beautiful those flowers are. Aren't they so much fun? And they just have a different, I don't really want to necessarily say torn edge, but if I had to say something to describe it, I guess it would be, we're calling it ruffled because I feel like it's ruffled sounds better than torn, I guess. I don't know, but beautiful. Now, in fact, so beautiful, Michelle made this gorgeous bouquet using these flowers. Isn't that so pretty? Using our wool felt on our website. So beautiful. Hopefully we can convince her to do a video on this. Now let's look at some of our other samples. Look at that, those fancy edge nested rectangles. Aren't they gorgeous? I just absolutely love them. They're so pretty. Here's another one. Look at that. And then you can do it sideways also. So you can do one long ways and one sideways. So beautiful. Look at the inside. I love it. Now let's look at that edge because that fancy edge is fancy. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely look at the inside too. You can use that on the inside. So gorgeous. That edge is just, it just adds. It adds so much. Now, and people are going to know you didn't just cut this on your trimmer, right? Like they're going to say, how in the world did you do that edge? That edge is so perfect. It's so gorgeous. I don't know how in the world you could have done it. And you're like, yeah, it's magic. What else could it be, right? I mean, look at how beautiful that is. They're just not going to believe it. Those of you that sell your cards at craft fairs and on Facebook and all of those things, look at that. That is going to be a popular die because it's so intricate, but it's so beautiful and sturdy at the same time. It's not, you don't have to worry about it breaking. Look at this one with all of those layered dies on top. Isn't that so fun? I absolutely love that. Beautiful. Ooh, now here's a fun one. Cowgirl. I love it. Look at those boots all dressed up, ready to go with that fun background. I love it. Ooh, or we could go feminine. And again, this A2 card base can also go vertical. So it's horizontal or vertical, which is always nice because the more versatility it has, the more often you're going to use it, right? The more often you'll use it. Now let's look at a couple more flower samples. because I am telling you, I am deeply in love with these flowers. You are going to be seeing me do these flowers all the time. They're so much fun. And here's another one, 5x7 card. So you're going to be using these on your A2 cards, on your 5x7 cards, on your slim lines, on all of your card bases, because they fit so perfectly on each and every one. Now, club members, you know the rule, you know the deal. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale, which is really fun because if you get in early, you get them and it's awesome, even better pricing. But if you miss out on the first 24 hours, that's okay, club members, because you know that every day is a sale at the Stamps of Life when you're a club member. You get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. It's like a sale every single day, which is so magnificent, because sometimes, you know, a website will have a sale and you're like, oh, I missed the sale. No. Club members, every day. You don't have to worry. Whew. But the first 24 hours, you get that flash sale discount also. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.